Today I am reviewing the YAWYORE Gaming PC Desktop computer. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The YAWYORE Gaming PC Desktop computer is a true powerhouse for gamers, creators, and professionals alike. At the heart of this system is the AMD Ryzen 7 5700X processor, an 8-core, 16-thread CPU that can turbo boost up to 4.6 GHz, delivering incredible speed for multitasking, gaming, and productivity tasks. Whether you're running multiple applications, streaming, or editing videos, this processor ensures smooth performance without lag or stutter. Paired with the GeForce RTX 5068 GB GDDR4 graphics card, this system brings your games and creative projects to life. You get support for DLSS 4 multi-frame generation, ray tracing, and Reflex 2 delay optimization, which ensures smooth gameplay, realistic lighting, and ultra-fast response times. Every frame looks crisp, and your gaming experience is both immersive and fluid, whether you're exploring open-world titles or competing in fast-paced esports games. The 32 GB DDR4 RAM running at 3,200 MHz allows for seamless multitasking. Switching between multiple programs, editing large video files, or even running virtual machines becomes effortless. Combined with a 1TB M.2 NVMe PCIe SSD, you get lightning-fast boot times, instant application loading, and ample storage for games, media, and creative projects. Say goodbye to long waits and storage bottlenecks. Keeping this system cool and quiet is a 240mm liquid cooler with ARGB lighting, complemented by three 12cm ARGB fans with intelligent temperature control. This advanced cooling setup ensures your CPU and GPU remain at optimal temperatures, even during long gaming sessions or intensive workloads. The system is designed to stay whisper quiet while delivering maximum airflow and thermal efficiency, making it perfect for both gaming and professional work environments. Aesthetically, the YAWYORE Gaming PC is striking, with customizable ARGB lighting that can sync with your setup and add a futuristic touch to your gaming or office space. The chassis is built with quality in mind and ships safely with shock-absorbing foam to prevent damage during delivery. If you encounter any issues with setup, hardware, or shipping, the seller offers dedicated support to get you up and running smoothly. Connectivity is modern and versatile. The system comes with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, so you can connect wirelessly to your network and peripherals without hassle. The MSI B550M, a Pro motherboard, provides plenty of expansion options and reliable performance, ensuring that your system can grow with your needs. Powering the system is a 650W80+ bronze certified power supply, providing stable and efficient energy for all your components. Whether you are a gamer seeking high FPS and ray-traced visuals, a content creator handling large projects, or simply someone who wants a reliable desktop for multitasking and entertainment, the YAWYORE Gaming PC Desktop delivers. With its Ryzen 7 CPU, RTX 5060 GPU, 32 GB RAM, and 1TB NVMe SSD, combined with advanced cooling and ARGB aesthetics, this is a desktop designed to impress, perform, and last for years to come. If you want a ready-to-play, high-performance gaming and productivity PC with modern features and reliability, the YAWYORE Gaming PC is a standout choice that will not disappoint.